Good morning, it's Graeme Gall. We run a mixed operation both at Moree and at Taroom in Queensland. Some time ago we decided that with the expansion of our business we needed an undercover area for much of our machinery to be stored, and so it was at that juncture that we approached Central Steel to see if they could do something in terms of a shed. That process took a few months because we had to conceptualise everything and try to understand the best configuration, and we came up with this shed that has dual purpose. We can store machinery in it, or we can, if the need arises, we can actually store grain in it as well. And it's quite high so that we can get our machinery easily in and out. One of the things that we tried to do was make it so it was multi-purpose, which means that we can store some gear on the other side of the shed that is stationary and we maybe don't want to use it day to day. And we had the doors at the end of the shed, which allows a couple of lanes of machinery that can just move in and out as required. I think Central Steel Build did a good job. When we approached them with some concepts, we were able to work through the various different alternatives and try and come up with an alternative that was going to work for us, so that was appreciated. And through the drafting process, it was all fine, and then we went to, I think, a number of processes internally within the business where we were put with teams as we went through to construction. We've had some sheds that we've put up in Queensland, and we were certainly impressed by Central Steel and the quality of the construction materials in it. The columns are really great, and you can see that there's some proper structure. And we're very happy with the way that Central Steel Build handled the process from conceptualising right through to construction, and everything went smoothly. It was in the middle of COVID, which was challenging, but yeah, everything happened in reasonable timeframes given there was a very difficult time to proceed with that sort of construction.